So it turned out we were over by uh, two Lovelace, as you can see. So I think that was actually caused by trying to round up numbers, well, decimal parts, as you can see here. I think I fixed the issues. And what we're going to do now is give it a try again. We're going to sign our transaction one more time. And then we're going to try to submit it. Finger crossed this time. Boom, successful. And as you can see, it's really interesting what's happening here. I feel like, you know, saying something about mempool. So my guess is that this transaction just got picked up in the memory pool for transaction, which is like a temporary basket in which, you know, all the transactions are collected before you know, a stake pool operator is through some algorithm chosen to validate them and create a new block. So we are waiting. So there you go. I think in a few seconds. Usually doesn't take too long. You know, after a lucky stake pool operator validates this transaction, he will then publish it to all the nodes for them to update their copies. So as you can see, it's like halted there. But I think in the next few seconds, we'll get something. So as it's doing that, we can do some, oh, there you go. So things are happening there. I think our transaction went through. And the way we can check that is by querying UTXO at our address. And again, the command is Cardano CLI query. This time UTXO. Specify the protocol, the network within which we are querying the UTXO, in this case mainnet production, which is the one running up here, and then which address we are finding or seeking UTXO from. So it's my address. And it will take a few seconds. And so as you can see, we did get our change. There it is. That's the change we specify up here. That is it. So we did get our change back. The UTXO that we're holding, the 1000 ADA and the 13 ADA were used, so they're gone. They will never exist again. And lastly, we can note that we still have, you know, UTXO that we previously had. So I think something interesting that we could do is run over to the network and confirm that our transaction made it. And the way we do it, we can just copy this here and display my public address. Here it is. Over here. Copy that. And then we can go over to Cardano Explorer. Bear with me 1 second. Pull this over here. And I can enter my address there. It will take some time, so bear with me. I kind of find this API slow, which is strange. But yeah, so let's see. I think those are all transactions. We can see we have a total of 6 transactions on this address. That's the current balance. I hope that's the case. And that's a 5-month-old transaction. So we can move over to the last page. Move to the last page and see what we've got there. It's loading. And strangely, I'm not finding the latest transaction here, which is a little bit strange. Let's go back to page 2 and see what we've got there. Let's try page 1 again. Well, this is strange. Let's show. That's for the WADA January 2022 hackathon. Okay. But where is our latest transaction? Interesting. I would expect it would be on the last page. Oh, there you go. Whew. So there you go. So here we can see that this is our transaction ID. So I'm gonna copy that for my archive. Just give me 1 second. So this is it. Okay. And next we can see, you know, all the ADA going out. So that first address got 154 ADA. The second one got 52 ADA, and so on. And here we have all the transactions. And the fee, of course, were this much. And the total output was that. And most interestingly, we can see our metadata, a message to our valuable participants, and that will be the end for this activity. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for all the glitches. I really wanted you to have this experience live and have an idea of what it takes to build these transactions. It's a really slow and meticulous, tedious task. uh, you have to make sure that you're actually sending the right amount to the right address. And yeah, so many things to take into consideration as you are doing this. But well, I wanted you to have a taste of the last part of it, and I hope you had fun. Guess I will see you another time after the December hackathon or something like that. And enjoy your day. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching. Yes.